أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين يلحدون في آياتنا لا يخفون علينا أفمن يلقى في النار خير عمن يأتي آمنا يوم القيامة اعملوا ما شئتم إنه بما تعملون بصير. As to those who distort the meaning of our revealed verses, they are certainly not hidden from us. Hence, who is better, one who is thrown into the fire or one who comes safe in peace on the day of judgment? Therefore, do whatever you want. He is surely seeing all what you are doing. إن الذين كفروا بالذكر لما جاءهم وإنه لكتاب عزيز. As to those who refuse to accept the admonition when it reached them, they are the sure losers, for this is indeed an irrefutable book and a sublime revelation. لا يأتيه الباطل من بين يديه ولا من خلفه تنزيل من حكيم حميد. No falsehood can attain it openly or stealthily, and it is a revelation emanating from one who is the most wise and who is worthy of all praises. ما يقال لك إلا ما قد قيل للرسل من قبلك إن ربك لذو مغفرة وذو عقاب عليم. What you are told here is no different than what was said to the messengers who were sent before you. And know that your Lord is certainly full of forgiveness, and yet He is most strict in exacting a just and a rigorous punishment for those who refuse to accept the truth. ولو جعلناه قرآنا عجميا لقالوا لولا فصلت آياته أعجمي وعربي قل هو للذين آمنوا هدى وشفاء والذين لا يؤمنون في آذانهم وقر وهو عليهم عمي أولئك ينادون من مكان بعيد. Had we revealed it in the language other than Arabic, they would have said, why are its verses not spelled out clearly? How could it be incomprehensible when it is revealed in a clear Arabic language? Say to them, it is indeed a clear guidance and healing for the believers. As to those who do not believe in it, their ears are certainly deafened and they are blind to seeing the truth in it. Such ones are certainly incapable of understanding the message, and it seems as though they are being called from a far distant place. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ وَلَوْلَا كَلِمَةٌ سَبَقَتْ مِنْ رَبِّكَ لَقُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ. We had previously given the book, the Torah, to Moses, but disputes and controversies arose in that regard, where some believed in it and some did not, and had it not been for an earlier pronouncement by your Lord, their differences would have been already settled by a final ruling, and they are still troubled with suspicion and doubt in that regard. من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها وما ربك بظلام للعبيد. Whoever does a good deed, it will be to his own benefit, and whoever commits an act of evil, it will be to his own detriment. And your Lord is never unjust towards his created servants. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.